He is a lone wolf, many enemies. His name is
Sick.
You bastard. Where did you learn that kung fu from? I'm gonna find out how much you really know. If you can defeat my three-fist style, then I'll let you leave here. Gunmaster. They're going crazy, and if you carry on like this, well then you're going to die.
I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leaf on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Cause my seconds, minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of that chopper. Sister, brother, son, daughter, father, motherfucker, copper. Got the Maserati dancing on the bridge. Pussy poppin', tell the coppers, ha 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 ha. You can't catch them, you can't stop them. I go by them goon rules. If you can't beat them, then you drop them. You can't man them, then you mop them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like Wolverine Baca. Motherfucker, I'm ill. Yeah. A million here, a million there. Sicilian bitch with long hair with coconut dairy